ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ దీపారాధనొందిಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ కార్యక్రమ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. దీపాన్ని వెలిగించి జ్యోతి ప్రజ్వలన తర్వాత ఈనాటి కార్యక్రమం మొదలవుతుంది. దానికోసం వేదిక మీద లేడీస్ అండ్ జెంటిల్మెన్ with a huge round of applause, let me take the privilege to invite the one and only the chairman Vika India Shri Pietro Kala. Let me take the privilege to welcome the director marketing Bharati Cements Shri M Ravindra Reddy garu. Reddy gari kosam okkasari chappatlu getiga ravali. A hearty and special welcome, sir. Let me call upon the director Bharati Cements Shri G Balaji garu. Come on, let's hear it for him.
நிகழ்ச்சி இப்பதான் தொடங்குது, நல்ல சந்தோஷமா கை தட்டலாம்.
Welcome, sir. Our director Bharati Cements Shri Harish C Kamarti garu. Hearty welcome, sir. Mana Bharati Cements director Shri J Reddy garu. Hearty welcome, sir. Gentlemen, I request all of you to kindly light the lamp and inaugurate today's program in a formal way.
पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति. ലക്ഷങ്ങളെത്തി നമിക്കും മദീന അക്ഷയ ജ്യോതിസിൻ പുണ്യഗേഹം സഭാമാർവാമലയുടെ ചോട്ടിൽ സാഫല്യം നേടി നേടിയൊരില്ല.
நிகழ்ச்சியை குத்துவிளக்கு ஏற்றி துவங்கி